how to enable and use the VR mode in YouTube. So if you find this video tutorial helpful, please subscribe and click the bell icon on so you'll be updated if there are new uploads in this channel. So let's go and open up our YouTube application in our phone. So just like the YouTube here, you would see some videos that are recommended. So let us search virtual reality videos in the search bar of our YouTube application. So by searching this one, we will be seeing videos that allow the virtual or VR mode or the use of VR mode in the videos. So what you would do next is to choose a video. So let us choose this roller coaster VR mode. And let's go and wait for the ads to finish. So let us skip the ads. And what you would do next while the video is playing, go to the gear icon to tap on settings. And you can tap on the watch in VR and then continue. So by tapping on continue, you will be proceeding to the VR mode of the video. So make sure that you have a VR headset with you for this to work. So I hope this tutorial helps and thank you for watching.